In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make channel read only on Discord. If you've ever wanted a place where people can see announcements, rules, or updates without anyone posting replies, making a channel read only is the perfect solution. It's quick, clean, and it keeps your important information front and center without the clutter of extra messages. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server and channel you want to lock down. In your channel list, hover your mouse over that channel's name. You'll see a small gear icon appear to the right, which opens the channel settings. Click that gear icon to jump into the channel's configuration. Inside the channel settings, look for the permissions section. This is where you control who can do what inside that specific channel. You'll see roles like the default everyone role and possibly custom roles you've created. To make the channel read only for most members, you'll adjust a single permission. Send messages. Find the Send Messages permission under the text channel permissions. Turn it off for the default everyone role in this channel. This tells Discord that in this one channel, regular members can view content but can't post new messages. It won't affect other channels unless you repeat the same change there, and it won't change the rest of your server's settings. Once you've switched Send Messages off, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save Changes button or confirmation prompt at the bottom and click it. That's it. Your channel is now read-only for the people assigned to the default role, and they'll still be able to see everything, but the message box will be disabled so they can't type. A couple of quick tips to help this work exactly the way you want. If you still want moderators or a specific role to post in that channel, keep Send Messages enabled for that role while it remains disabled for everyone. That way, your team can publish new updates while general members can only read. Also, remember that permissions and categories can cascade down to channels. If a channel permission doesn't seem to stick, double-check the category settings to make sure nothing is overriding your choice. To recap, hover over the channel, click the gear icon, open permissions, disable, send messages for the default role, and save. Simple, effective, and your important messages stay organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new read-only channel on Discord.